gosh. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back to another studio vlog. Now today we're going to be organizing and rearranging the studio. Now this studio is fairly small and we have been adding a lot of new products to our line, and I want to try and keep everything in the studio here. I have boxes and boxes of things in corners. I have stuff in other rooms in the living room, but I really want to try and get everything in this room and have it organized and maybe still look a little cute. So let's go ahead and get started. I have bought a few organizational bins and cupboards and things like that, so I will be putting all of those together today and hopefully getting it all done so you guys can see it all in action. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the first corner that I am going to tackle. It doesn't look too bad. There are a couple of boxes sitting on top of a bin here, but down here I have boxes of bubble mailers, rigid mailers, like bubble wrap and tissue paper, all stuffed in boxes, and it's really hard for me to get to. So I'm going to pull need to go into those bins. Let's see if we can make them all fit. My gosh. Alright, so I just cleaned up this corner a bit. It does look like there is more stuff here because there is. Like I said, I did want to get everything out of the other rooms and into this one just so I can see everything. So I have all of the binders in these bins. Now I can actually see how many of each we have in stock. So that is really nice. I do have one bin completely empty, so I'm just going to leave it here on the table. I am sure I will fill it with something. Now underneath the table here, I still have a bunch of the boxes. I did break down a bunch of the boxes and put them by the recycling bin, so I'll probably just recycle them. I do like to keep boxes around for any other like big orders that I have, so I'll probably keep a bit more and just break them down and put them underneath here along with all of the rigid mailers under there. Oh, I did get a couple more of these like white weed bins from Target. I only got 2. So I need to get 3 more, so I'll probably have to order them from Target since my Target did not have them. But I absolutely love these bins. They are really nice and sturdy, and you guys know I have a cat, so I cannot have these like really soft mesh ones that I have up top here. They are a lot cheaper though if you guys are looking for something for your IKEA bins. These are actually really nice if you don't have cats. Mine will tear these apart, so I have to have these down on the bottom level here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab those and fill those up first. Alright, so I got all of the binders and albums into all of these bins now. I rearranged this part a bit to fit a little bit more bubble mailers down there. And then I went to the mailbox and got a package. I thought I would show you guys. I just opened it really quickly because I was unsure what it was. And guys, it is from Arteza again. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. What in the world? Alright, so this is a huge bag of Everblend markers. I gotta open this guy up and show you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is a case full of their Everblend markers. So cool, and it has this very long strap here so you guys can carry it along with you. Really nice and sturdy quality. Alright, so the 2 middle ones here that have all of the markers side by side, these are actually Velcroed to the bottom of the bag. And then on the left side here, this is actually permanent, so you can't take that one off. But there's also another permanent side in there, so you can store another 10 pens of your own in there. So that is so cool. Look at all of these gorgeous colors, guys. I am definitely going to be using these. I haven't done my bullet journal setup yet, and these are going to be perfect. Let's see if we can do a little swatch for you. my gosh, thank you so much, Arteza. These are amazing. I'm gonna have to do a little craft room organization for you guys because I have a ton of stuff in my craft drawers here that I need to organize pretty soon. So if you guys want to see a video on that, give this video a thumbs up and let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of me organizing my studio office. Come back next week so you guys can see me organize my corner area. I'm going to be putting up a new shelving unit over there and a wall unit as well. So if you guys are enjoying these videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!